Hey guys, good morning. We're going to do our morning calendar. Today is Monday, and we're going to do an air high five. So, good morning, everyone. High five. I hope you're doing well and that you're happy and healthy. Today, I'm feeling a bit silly today. I don't know why. I woke up in a pretty good mood today, so I'm feeling a bit silly. How are you feeling today? Take a minute and let the person that's sitting with you, let them know how you're feeling today. All right, we said that today is April. The month is April. So I'm going to move the word April up here. Let's say our months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. All right. Take some time, and I want you guys to say your months of the year all by yourself. I'm going to point to them, and I'd like for you to say them. Excellent work. All right. Today is April the 20th. So to make the number 20, we add a 2 and a 0. You got it. Today is April the 20th. And we know that the year is also 2020. So we said that 20 is made up of 2 and a 0. So we're going to check these numbers in the back and find the 2 and the 0. So go ahead and point to the one that has a 2 and the 0 in the back for 2020. Excellent work. 2020. Today is April 20th, 2020. All right, let's say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Excellent work. I would like for you to point to the day of the week. What is today? Excellent. Today is Monday. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? You're right. Yesterday was Sunday. If today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? You're right. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. I know that being inside has got our days a little bit mixed up. So, today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Excellent work. All right, we're going to make some predictions about the weather. It's been a little bit cold, but I am going to predict that Monday's weather is going to be sunny. I hope that it's sunny outside. I'd like to be able to get outside a little bit. I still think that the weather's going to be cool. I still think it's going to be cool out, but hopefully it'll be sunny so we can get outside. The season, there are 4 seasons that we have here in Indiana. We have fall, winter, spring, and summer. And right now, we are in the season of, you're right, spring. That's when we see all the leaves coming out and the birds and the flowers. So when you do get to go outside, go ahead and look at all the trees and how they're changing and listen for all the birds and see if there are flowers blooming. I have some flowers that are blooming outside of my door. They're beautiful. And my mom sends me pictures of her flowers that are blooming. So go ahead and make sure that you check those out. And if you can, get some pictures of those flowers blooming and send them to Miss Allen. I'd like to see them. All right, so when it's cool outside, what are some clothes that you usually wear when it's cool out? Well, I am going to wear a shirt and a jacket because I'm going to go on a walk, and some pants. And, Miss Allen likes to wear flip-flops. I'm going to wear some flip-flops. That's what I'm going to wear when it's cool out, and I'm going to go on my walk. So, today I've got on my red shirt, I have on blue pants. I don't have on any socks, so I'm going to put white. And my jacket that I'm going to wear is black. What color of clothes are you wearing? Go ahead and tell the person that you're sitting next to or that's close to you. What color are your socks? Are you guys wearing socks? What color is your shirt? What color are your pants? And if you were going to go outside and take a walk, what color is your jacket that you were wearing? All right, and how many days have we been in school? We have been in school 142 days. So let's make the number 142. 140. So to make the number 40, we're going to start with a 4. 142. So we're going to find the number 2. Oh, here it is. Is that right? No. This is the number 2. There it is. Not 142 days. We've been in school 142 days. And we only have to go to school just a few more days. We have to go to 160 this year. So we only have a few more days left. All right. And we said that today is the 20th. So we have to we're going to make our change to the number 20. So how could we make 20 cents? Today I'm going to use 4 coins to make 20 cents. We're going to count by 5s. Which one is worth 5 cents? The penny, the nickel, the dime, or the quarter? You're right, the nickel is worth 5 cents. So let's count by 5s to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Excellent work. Let's count them again. 5, 10, 15, 20. Good job. Now, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to make 142 cents, which we also know is $1.42. So, we've been talking about how many quarters do we need to make $1. Somebody tell me, how many quarters do we need to make $1? We need 4 quarters to make $1. And our quarter is the biggest coin we have down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 quarters to make $1. And in order to make 40 cents, we're going to count by 10. So which coin is worth 10 cents? You got it, the dime. So we're going to count by 10s to 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And now we need 2. 142. So we need 2 cents. Which one is worth 1 cent so we can get 2 of them? You're right, the penny. 1, 2. So we have 4 quarters, which equals $1 or 100. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Excellent work. I'm so glad that you joined me for our Monday morning circle time, and I will see you on Wednesday. Have a great day. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we miss you, and we'll talk soon.